lending by banks to MSMEs has not happened to the extent RBI has been pushing it. Given the kind of economic uncertainty ahead, why do you think that there will be more lending? Do you think that the trend will reverse with the new government announcement? What gives you hope in this economic uncertainty?
Actually, I'm giving you an example. Just 2 months before, 2.5 months before, there was a meeting in Hotel Ashoka with all bank chairmen, and I was also there. Nirmala ji was there, and I have got a now software where in my different schemes, what is the track record of different banks, even branch wise, I can get it. So I was there with my data, and we take the review bank to bank, and Nirmala ji directly give them order that you are some of the banks we have completed our target. Then in some of the cases there was 22% pendency. We asked them what is the reason. The some of the cases there the pendency was there. It is because that the applicant is not coming under the area of the bank. So we asked them why you not transfer this case to other bank. Then there was some small certificates, other thing that was the case was pending. So today in my office, I have got the track record of all our schemes, branch wise with me. But the most important thing is I am giving you two things very, very after my experience. One, we have now giving permission for financing MSMEs to District Cooperative Bank, Urban Cooperative Bank and NBFC. And now banks are giving loan. You probably know, I don't know whether you know or not. 75% of the loan is secured. And for 25%, they are taking their complete assets and everything mortgage to the bank. So there is no risk. And one of the important thing which I am telling you, fortunately, this is not going to the people, that the role of NBFC for giving all these auto loan and other loan is very good. So now the government has decided to help to NBFC also to give them strength. In Maharashtra, this Urban Cooperative Bank have got the deposits of more than 3,50,000 crore in the small towns. NBFC also has got, now we are giving them, supporting them. And now I already have my idea in my mind that how we can get foreign investment in NBFCs. And suppose if they get the foreign investment in NBFC, they can reduce the capital cost. So for that reason, for hedging point of view, we need permission from Finance Ministry and Reserve Bank. So I'm now moving this proposal that whether it is possible to get foreign investment. This is the time that the country need foreign investment. And if it is to be possible for us to get foreign investment in good NBFC, nothing like that. And NBFC's track record is very good. So definitely these are the new options which already government has taken initiative for that. It is definitely going to impact the situation. You know the case of that Bandhan Bank and of small banks, Mahila Bachat Gat. We need to finance them. Their track record is very good. You know the example in Bangladesh, the way in which that, I'm not remembering the name of but the way we develop that bank culture in Bangladesh, a success story. On the basis of that, we need to support small people. They are honest. They are paying their money back. There is no problem.